All right. So I'm not doing Eurovision this year. I said as much on a community post, but I am doing the usual suspects of music festivals that I do. So that's San Remo, obviously. Melody Festival, it's kind of a given. Even though I'm not necessarily feeling it, but I think I'm still gonna do it. Um, Estilol, I've been doing that like I think that the past 2 years, 2 or 3 years. Um, and then obviously now I want to do Benidorm because it's just like I can't have that whole season just pass with a whisper. And there's a lot of contests I'm not really interested in. Like I know, is it MGK, the Norwegian one? What's the K stand for? What would the K stand for? Anyway, oh contest. I'm not necessarily interested in the Norwegian one. Um, what's another one? Oh, I'm maybe Vinny del Mar. I don't know. That's not at all related, but it is like a festival, and I've done other festivals before. So anyway, here we go with Carla Frigo, Bésame. I did hear Midame. I want to say it was. I want to say. You know what? I'm so sure it was Midame. So, I liked it. I liked the thumbnail. Excuse me. I liked the thumbnail. I liked the visuals. I wasn't much about the song. Anyway, let's listen to this. I do have the lyrics pulled up, but let me prop them up better. Hello. Okay. Bésame. Okay, let's listen to it. He tratado de olvidarte y aunque lo intente no dejo de imaginarme todas las cositas que yo hacía contigo y no tenerte cerca es mi peor castigo. No, hoy siento una mía vacía. What are we doing here? What genre are we going for? What flavor? What are we doing here? What flavor of Hispanohablante are we doing here? I don't understand. Okay, I'm pleasantly surprised because it's giving like it's giving a bit. Is it merengue? Is it bachata? And then we go to this EDM type. Okay, okay, rewind that again. Anyway, I'm just gonna hold this. I like this song. I think I'm gonna save it. I like this song. It took forever for me to get into it, but when I got into it, I did. And it was the danceable part that I can shake my ass to, right? So. It keeps sounding with this little trilling rasp, Guajiro type thing. It's sounding like we're about to jump into an aventura song, but that's not it. And we're just like in the club, bam, 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 bam. I like it though. I like it though. Okay, girly. Kiss me one more time. Ba 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 ba. Ba ba.
Bésame como la última vez. Déjame las huellas en la piel. Haz que dure hasta el amanecer. No vuelvas a desaparecer.
Bésame como la última vez. I like this. I like this. I like this. Bésame como la última vez. Okay, we're gonna pause it there. Just, we're gonna pause it there. I like this. I'm not really. I feel like every year, whoever wins Spanish, the whole thing is, oh, you gotta listen to the X, Y, and Z person. You gotta listen to the X, Y, and Z person, and I never really do. But I like this. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna be making a. How I do this, I remember. We're going first alphabetically, and then we're just gonna be listening and ranking things with respect to previous listens. So we're going alphabetically. This is the first. Carla Frigo. Okay, let me go save that song too because it really is that dance beat that's saving it though, and we got some little twists and changes throughout the song, but girl, what? Um, okay, she saved the girl. She did it. Okay, next up is Celine Van Heel, La Cura. Okay, let's let's get to it. I'm excited. I'm excited. It's a solid small field of songs. So yes. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.